Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Nvidia RTX Spark may light a fire for Windows on ARM. Nvidia has unveiled its RTX Spark, an ARM-based system-on-chip platform designed for thin Windows laptops and mini desktops, targeting high-performance tasks like AI video generation, 3D rendering, and gaming with reduced power demands. The chip integrates Nvidia's Blackwell architecture and aims to compete with Qualcomm's Snapdragon X processors, while supporting heavier workloads. It promises all-day battery life despite handling intensive applications such as 12K video editing and local AI processing. The first models are expected to ship this year, marking the start of Nvidia's expanded push into the Windows on ARM market. I built a PC for the price of a PS5 Pro, and it outperforms it. A tech enthusiast built a PC for around $900 that outperforms the PS5 Pro in raw graphics power, using an AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT GPU. Despite the PS5 Pro's advanced features like Enhanced PSSR, the PC's newer architecture and superior rasterization performance make it a more cost-effective gaming option. The console's price has risen to $900, not including the $80 disc attachment, while the custom PC offers better value for high-performance gaming. USB 4 is quietly replacing Thunderbolt, and your next motherboard will prove it. USB 4 is rapidly replacing Thunderbolt as the standard high-performance connectivity option on modern motherboards, absorbing Thunderbolt 3 core architecture while removing Intel's licensing restrictions. The technology now offers identical functionality, including dual 4K display support and external GPU compatibility, making it the default choice for both AMD and Intel platforms. Intel's proprietary Thunderbolt technology is being phased out as USB 4 becomes the new industry standard. Asus just gave the Xbox Ally X a huge screen upgrade, but there's a catch. Asus has unveiled an ROG Xbox Ally X20, a handheld gaming device featuring a 7.4-inch OLED display with 1400 nits of brightness, replacing the original 7-inch IPS screen. Key upgrades include GuliKit TMR joysticks designed to reduce drift, a translucent shell, and a redesigned D-pad that toggles between 4-way and 8-way input. The device retains the same internal specs, including an AMD Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme processor and 24 GB of RAM. However, it is only available as part of a bundle. AMD's plan to fix RAM costs. Bring back bygone CPUs. AMD is releasing older generation CPUs, including the Ryzen 7 5800X3D and Ryzen 7 7700X3D, to combat high RAM and resale prices that have made upgrades costly for gamers. The 5800X3D will be available for $350 starting June 25, while the 7700X3D launches July 15 at $330, offering more affordable performance on the AM5 platform. These moves address the inflated costs of out-of-production chips on the resale market, where prices often exceed original retail. AMD aims to provide budget-conscious gamers with accessible upgrade paths, amid ongoing hardware affordability challenges. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed and I will see you in the next update.